reflect, seek forgiveness and regret. Fear Allah till the last breath, for every soul shall have a taste of death. 6 standard boys in Operation Death.
It was early in the morning at 4 when death knocked upon a bedroom door.
Who's there?
The sleeping one cried.
Who's there?
I am the Malakul Maut. I am coming inside.
At once, the man began to shiver. As one sweating in deadly fever, he shouted to his sleeping wife,
Don't let him take away my life. Please go away. Oh, angel of death, leave me alone. I'm not ready yet. My family on me depends. Give me a chance. Oh, please, repent.
The angel knocked again and again.
Friend, I'll take your life without any gain. It's your soul that I've come to acquire. I have not come with my own desire.
Bewildered, the man began to cry.
Oh, angel, I'm so afraid to die. I'll give you gold and be your slave. Don't send me to the unlit grave.
The man held a gun in his right hand, ready to defy the angel's stand.
I'll point my gun towards your head. You dare come in, I'll shoot you dead.
By now, the angel was in the room, saying,
Oh friend, prepare for your doom. Foolish man, you ought to die. Put down your gun and do not sigh. Why are you afraid? Tell me, O man, to die according to Allah's plan. Come, smile at me, do not grin. Be happy to return to Him.
Oh angel, I bow my head in shame. I had no time to take Allah's name. From morn till night, I wake my bed, not even caring for my head. The laws of the Quran I never obeyed. Now 5 times a day, I ever prayed. A Ramzan came and a Ramzan went, but no time had I to repent. All charities I did ignore, taking usually more and more. Sometimes I sip my favorite wine. With flirting women I sat to dine. Oh angel, I appeal to you to spare my life for a year or two. The laws of the Quran I will obey. I begin Salat this very day. My fast and Hajj I will complete and keep away from self-conceit. I refrain from usury and give all my wealth in charity. Wine and wenches I will detest. Allah's oneness I will address.
We angels do what Allah demands. We can't go against His command. That is honoring for everyone. Father, mother, daughter or son. I'm afraid this moment is your last. Now you will be reminded of your past. I do understand your fears. Now it's too late for tears. You lived in this world to score and more. Never did you, your people adore. Your parents did not obey. Hungry beggars who turned away. You ignored the Muaddin's azan, nor did you read the Holy Quran, breaking promises all your life, backbiting friends and causing strife. Paradise for you, I cannot tell. Undoubtedly, you will dwell in hell. There is no time for you to repent. I'll take your soul for which I'm sent.
The ending, however, is very sad. Eventually, the man became mad. With a cry, he jumped out of his bed and suddenly he fell down. Oh, listeners, take a moral from here. You never know your end may be near. For a Muslim should have Allah's fears. For heavens, if you wish to land, receive your deeds in your right hand. Change your livings and make amends. Before it's too late, let's repent.